What is an extract? An extract is a specific portion that has been removed from something else. Orange juice is an extract squeezed out of oranges, leaving behind fiber, seeds, and skin. The rubber in tires was extracted from rubber trees, and the fuel used in motor vehicles was likely extracted from crude oil. Extracts are everywhere in our lives. Other examples include olive oil, sugar, tea, and metals like aluminum and copper. Extraction is the process of making extracts. It often separates or isolates a specific thing that wouldn't be found in nature by itself. Extracts are also sometimes called concentrates because when you extract something, you increase its concentration. For example, if I pick a handful of jelly beans, maybe only 10% of them are red. But if I select just the red ones, the concentration becomes 100%. Increasing concentration is also what occurs as we purify things. Therefore, extraction is a purification or refining process. Extracts are a refined product. Making extracts takes time and energy. So why do we make them? Let's look at an example. Gasoline is an extract often used as fuel in car engines. It is extracted from crude oil. Mixing oxygen and gasoline and adding a spark produces an explosion that can drive an engine. But if crude oil can also be ignited and it contains gasoline, why don't we just use that to fuel cars instead? Why do we extract gasoline? The answer is that a car engine relies on a predictable explosion, which gasoline provides but crude oil does not. This highlights a big reason why we make extracts, because they are useful. Extraction can do things like removing ricin, a toxic chemical, from the castor bean and producing castor oil that we can use in cosmetics. Receiving an accurate dose to address a vitamin deficiency can be more easily managed with tablets of vitamin extract. Basically, we extract to make useful things. Extraction selects and removes something from something else. So what does cannabis extraction usually select? Well, let's think about what people might use cannabis for. They look for the recreational and medicinal effects of certain chemicals. The most well-known of these are cannabinoids. Cannabis plants can contain many different kinds and concentrations of cannabinoids. THC and CBD are the most well-known. People also seek flavors. Many chemicals contribute to the taste and smell of cannabis. Terpenes are the class of chemicals that are probably most famous in this regard, but research is shedding light on other compounds as well. Cannabinoids and terpenes are concentrated in a sticky resin contained within certain glands that stick out from the plant. Known as glandular trichomes, they are found in greatest concentration on the flowers of female plants. Cannabis extraction usually focuses on selecting and removing this resin from female cannabis flowers and tries to exclude seeds, stalks, and leafy plant material. Bear in mind, however, that cannabis has other potential uses and therefore other things can be and are extracted from it. For now, we will focus on resin extraction.